Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a giant Temu haul. Let's get into it. So first item that we have here is actually my daughter's birthday gift. This is exactly what she wanted. She wanted a dress that's also overalls, so I got her 2 of them. And here's this one. I got it in a large. It seems to be a large. Looks very adorable. It does have pockets, and it's an actual jean material. It's not knockoff or nothing. The buckles seem very good. I think she's gonna really like that. And for the price of it, it wasn't bad at all. And here's the second one that we have. This one's not a jean material. It's more like almost like a scrubs material, but not at the same time. Like it's comfy. And this one's the black one. Oh, one is not strapped. There we go. This one also zips up in the back. There's a little zipper right here, as you can see. This one does not have pockets, but that's okay. I think she's gonna like it anyway. And this one I got in an extra large just because the comments on it said that you should go a size up. And because it zips in the back, I think I agree with that. So hopefully that'll fit her, and those will be for her birthday, which is already past now, but that's okay. Next item we have here. And this is a Mother's Day gift because Mother's Day did just pass. So happy Mother's Day to any moms out there, or any grandmoms, or anybody being a mom. And this is for my mother-in-law. And it is a metal mug. And it says, "Carry on my wayward son."
Carry on my wayward son.
Just like the theme of the show, Supernatural. And speaking of Supernatural, there is another thing in here that is Supernatural. She's going to love that, though. It's a little bit smaller of a mug than I thought it would be, but it's not too small, so I think she'll still like that. Let's see if we can get... And here's the other Supernatural thing for my mother-in-law. This is her Mother's Day gift. It is a tin sign. If you've never seen Supernatural before, here's my favorite clip of it.
That was scary.
I know that's funny, right? But she is going to love this. And it's a really good quality tin sign as well. And it says, "Join the hunt," because they say that a lot in the show. Okay, and next item we have here is for myself. And it is a Friends tin sign. And it does say Friends down the middle of it. I love this. This is so awesome. I do already have a Central Park tin sign. If you didn't see that, make sure you go check out that video because that was a couple weeks ago. I love this show. It's awesome. So this is going to go on my wall. I can't wait for that. And then I have 2 more tin signs here, but they're actually for my husband, not for myself. This is the Killer Clowns from Outer Space. And if you're not a big horror buff or you don't know what this movie is, here's a little clip from the trailer that I got.
Clowns.
What are you gonna do? Knock my block off?
This is very good quality. Not pixelated at all. You can see everything and it's very bright colors. I love this. My husband's just a bigger fan of it than I am, but he's gonna have this one. I may get one further down the road. You never know. It's also a metal sign. And then the last metal sign we have here is also for my husband, but it's from a video game. It's called Dying Light, and it says, "Good night, good luck." I know my husband plays this game a lot, so I think he's going to really like this. And again, with the quality, it's very good quality. Like, you can tell there's supposed to be zombies in there, and I'm very impressed with the tin signs. I can't wait to keep getting more, because hopefully this wall behind me that you see here will be all collaged with tin signs soon. And next item we got here is actually a Mother's Day gift for my own mom. But she lives farther away, so I can't ship as much. So I got her a card, and it says, "You are the Lorelei to my Rory," which is, of course, from Gilmore Girls, and she loves Gilmore Girls too. But it's just a blank card inside. So I'm going to write her my own notes and put in like maybe a lottery ticket or something. Figure it out. Make my mom's day, because she's also a Gilmore Girl fan, and this is amazing. Next item we have here, my husband actually threw this in. He needed some new drawing tablet gloves, and if you don't know what that is, it came as a 2-pack. But it's just a glove that goes on the last 2 fingers so that when you're drawing on a tablet or something, it doesn't pick up your hand and it just picks up the sensor of the pen. But this one's really nice because it actually has very good padding inside. Like, it's very thick padding instead of just the normal nylon glove, which is very nice because it's going to be easier for him to use that. And it came in a 2-pack as well. But they're 2 of the exact same. Next is a little prize for myself. Consider these my own Mother's Day gifts. But they're earrings. And they're little stick men giving the middle finger. That is so awesome and so me. I can't wait to wear those. Those are awesome and so funny. Maybe I'll wear those with the new t-shirt that my mom got me. If you didn't see that, go check out the short. Okay, and these next 2 items, both my kids are talking about them, and that's all they want. And here's what they are. They're called T13s. I thought they were going to come a little bit different. They may be good quality, but I don't know because they're like not hard plastic. So we'll have to test those out. But I got a red and reddish gold one. And then I got a blue one as well. But see, this one, I don't even see a head. I don't know. They're going to have to figure it out. But you have to build them all yourself. And it comes with the instructions in there. And that's all they want to talk about is these things. So if they're good, I guess I'll let you guys know. But otherwise, I don't think that these ones from Temu are good quality. Unless I just don't know if they're supposed to react like that. So I don't know. But there's 2 of them. And final thing that we have here today. This is a pin for myself. And it says, "Keep your filthy paws off my silky draws." And if you've never seen the movie Grease, that's what it's from. And here's the clip of that.
Keep your filthy paws off my silky drawers.
And then here's the pen. and it's so awesome. This is obviously for myself. But I never find grease things like that. So that's awesome to add to my collection. If you guys want to see an enamel pin update, let me know in the comments below. And there you have everything for our Temu haul today. How did you enjoy everything? Did you find anything particularly cool? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss when I post another video. Make sure that you're hitting that bell. If you want to join up to Temu, make sure that you're clicking the affiliate link that's in the description box of my video. That link could get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day.